Leave a comment down below. Woo! Wow, okay. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that this Friday, December 14th, these are gonna sell out? Yo guys, I'm Danny Moore, back with a brand new video. Today we are going to talk about the release of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Semi-Frozen Yellow, and will these sneakers sell out this Friday, December 14th? Before we talk about the Yeezy release, I do have a giveaway going on the channel. We are on the grind to 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. That is the goal. Hopefully we can do it. Guys, if you're new to this YouTube channel and you love daily streetwear and sneaker content, be sure to subscribe. I do post every single day. So when I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a bunch of Supreme box logo stickers, and one of you guys is going to win a brand new Supreme headband. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, drop a like on this video, comment your Instagram username, and done down below in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Those links are down below in the description. My @ is also popping up on screen. Make sure you guys give me a follow because I'm always posting fire-ass pictures on Instagram. When you're on my Instagram, make sure you guys give me a follow, and be sure to check out this post right here. Like the post, tag 3 friends in the comment section of the post, and that is it. You are entered into the giveaway. I'm gonna choose the giveaway winners from this Instagram post. Enough of the giveaway talk, let's talk Yeezys. So this Friday, December 14th, we are getting a re-release once again of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Semi-Frozen Yellow, the Yellow Zebra. They have a bunch of nicknames. The Highlighter Yeezys. They have a bunch of nicknames. Also, the McDonald's wrapper. Cannot forget that one. So these are re-releasing this Friday for a retail price of $220. Adidas has been re-releasing Yeezys a shit ton. It seems like they've been doing every major Yeezy release. That's what it seems like. Absolutely crazy. Any limited Yeezy, Adidas is just straight up saying, nah fam, we not making it limited no more. We're releasing them to the general public in mass quantities. And that's what's going on with these Yeezy releases. As of right now, this actually happens to be the most limited Adidas Yeezy. Absolutely is. Yeezy Mafia confirmed it. After this release on Friday, I don't think that's really going to be the case anymore. I really do not know. We really do not know if that's going to be the case. It's going to be very, very weird to see what's going to be the new most limited Yeezy. Before Adidas did this re-release, it was these. It currently still is these. But now, what's going to be the most limited Yeezy by Adidas? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think is going to be the most limited Adidas Yeezy after these get re-released on Friday. So will the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Semi-Frozen Yellow sell out? That is the big question at hand, and there definitely are some factors that come into consideration when questioning whether the shoe is going to sell out or not. So we spoke a little bit before about current Yeezy releases. Let's get back into that. So current Yeezy releases, Yeezys are definitely selling. They have been selling out. It's just been taking a lot longer than it usually does or ever has before. The Zebras sold out. The Salts sold out. However, the Triple White V2 released back in September sat for like a week. The Yeezy 500 and the Triple Black sat for like 2 days. That all comes into consideration when really questioning, are these going to sell out on December 14th? Next, of course, we have to talk about the colorway, because the colorway is definitely a huge factor when considering whether these are going to sell out or not, because let's be honest, I think most of you guys would agree that this is one hell of an ugly Yeezy. Don't get me wrong, there are people out there that really do like and enjoy this colorway. Hey, if you like it, it's for you, and you could rock it, cool, more power to you. Me, I'm good on this. I definitely do not like this shoe. I definitely do not like this colorway. I think it's very bad. So I think the colorway definitely plays a part into determining whether they're gonna sell out or not, because this ain't it, chief. Next, let's talk about time of release. It is the holiday season. So holiday season definitely plays a big factor into determining whether these are going to sell out or not. It is holiday season. People are spending money left and right. Everybody and their mother is spending money right now. Holiday season, you got to get your gifts in order. I'm sure some people will receive these for their Christmas gift. So that definitely plays into consideration. Next, let's talk about the Yeezy brand, the Yeezy name. Are Yeezys dead? That's the real question. When it comes to sales through Adidas, absolutely not. How you could even debate that is beyond me. Adidas is killing it. Straight up killing it. The more Yeezys they release, the more money they make. It's as simple as that. The more pairs, the more money they're gonna make, because yeah, they may not be selling out, but guys, they're still selling hundreds of thousands of pairs. They're still making a shit ton of money. They're making more money mass producing the shoe than keeping it limited and getting all the hype. Just like Jordan Brand did. So we're basically seeing what Jordan Brand has done. Well, we're seeing it now with Yeezys, and some people are not very happy about that. Leave a comment down below. Woo! Wow, okay. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that this Friday, December 14th, these are going to sell out? Leave a comment down below and let me know right now. What do you think? Do you think they're going to sit? You think they're going to sell out? I'm telling you right now, guys, these are going to sell out. It's very easy. Very easy to determine that. They're still going to be limited. The first time around of this release, they did not release a shit ton of pairs. These were the most limited and still are. So that definitely plays into consideration of them selling out, because everyone's going to go after them because they know that, you know, there's still some resale to these. Will there be resale on Friday? I definitely think so. I don't think it's going to be massive. I don't think you're going to make hundreds of dollars, but I definitely think there'll be quite a little bit of resale on them. So as far as copping them, definitely put in your raffles. Guys, the best spot to cop is going to be Adidas and Yeezy Supply. Definitely Adidas.com, Yeezy Supply. It is always the best spot to get Yeezys. They usually get the most stock. Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs, they're getting them. Guys, be sure to check the app. Make sure you guys put in your raffles on the apps. They're all getting them. Make sure you guys do what you need to do in order to secure this pair of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Semi-Frozen Yellow this Friday. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Do you like this shoe? Is this the most ugly Yeezy ever? Is this the best Yeezy ever? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think right now. My opinion, once again, guys, these are not it. These are just really ugly. Looks like McDonald's chicken wrapper. Just straight up, honestly, it really does. That's really what it looks like. And I'm good on that on my feet. I did pick up this pair from a HYPEBEAST mystery box. If you guys have not seen that video, be sure to go check out that video. So I still currently have them. I am selling these. These are for sale. I cannot wait to get rid of them. I should have gotten rid of them before it was confirmed by Adidas that these were releasing. I definitely took an L holding on to them for, I don't know, a few weeks. It wasn't that long I've had them. A few weeks. I was just trying to get a little bit more than what people were really looking to pay. You know, I don't really want to sell them for as little as people were offering. I really want to push for a few bucks more and try to get as much money back as I can from that HYPEBEAST mystery box. So yes, once again, I definitely think the Yeebras, the semi-frozen yellows, these right here, these McDonald's chicken wrapper sneakers, I definitely think these are going to sell out on Friday. They're going to have some resale. I definitely think if you guys want the shoe for retail, whether it's to keep, put on feet, stock, resell, whatever it is, I definitely think you guys got to put in the work to do it. Do not sleep. These will go fast. Will they resell? Yes. Are they ugly? Yes. Will the HYPEBEAST eat them up? Yes, of course. Guys, we are on the grind to 5,000 subscribers. Let's hit that mark before the end of the year. That is the goal. If we don't hit it, I will not be that mad. I want to keep going. I love giving you guys daily videos. I love making daily content. I really do. I really enjoy it. If you guys enjoy, definitely let me know. Leave a comment and leave a like. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Let me know if you guys are going to pick up the Yeezys this Friday. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.